Driving is a part of everyday life for many people. We rely on our cars to get to work, school, and other important places. But safe driving depends on more than just following traffic rules. It also depends on having a car that is in good working order. One of the most important safety features on your car is the braking system. Brakes are essential for slowing down and stopping your car. Without them, you wouldn't be able to control your speed or avoid accidents. Imagine trying to stop at a red light without brakes. It would be impossible. That's why it's so important to understand how your car's brakes work and how to keep them in good condition. Just like any other part of your car, brakes can wear down over time. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure they are always working properly. Neglecting your brakes can lead to reduced braking performance, putting you and others on the road at risk. By understanding the different types of brake systems, their importance, and how to maintain them, you can make informed decisions about your car's safety. Remember, a well-maintained car is a safer car. There are different types of brake systems found in cars. The two most common types are disc brakes and drum brakes. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages. Disc brakes are more efficient at dissipating heat, which makes them ideal for high-performance vehicles. They use calipers to press brake pads against a rotor, creating friction that slows down the wheel. Drum brakes, on the other hand, are less expensive to manufacture and are often found on older or more affordable cars. They use brake shoes that press against a drum inside the wheel to create friction. In addition to these traditional brake systems, most modern cars are equipped with an anti-lock braking system, or ABS. ABS is a safety feature that prevents the wheels from locking up during hard braking. This helps drivers maintain steering control and avoid skidding. Understanding the different types of brake systems can help you understand how your car stops and how to maintain it properly. However, it's important to note that you don't need to be a mechanic to keep your brakes in good working order. Regular maintenance and inspections by a qualified mechanic are usually enough to ensure your brakes are safe. The importance of brakes for safe driving cannot be overstated. They are your first line of defense in emergency situations, allowing you to slow down or stop quickly to avoid collisions. Imagine driving on a highway and suddenly encountering a traffic jam. Without functioning brakes, you wouldn't be able to stop in time, potentially leading to a serious accident. Brakes are not only crucial for avoiding accidents, but also for maintaining control of your vehicle. They help you navigate curves safely, especially at higher speeds. Imagine driving down a winding mountain road. Without reliable brakes, you wouldn't be able to slow down effectively, putting yourself at risk of losing control and veering off the road. Moreover, brakes play a vital role in everyday driving situations. They allow you to stop smoothly at traffic lights, stop signs, and pedestrian crossings, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride for you and your passengers. Whether you're driving in busy city traffic, on the open highway, or navigating winding country roads, having confidence in your brakes is paramount for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Maintaining your car's brakes is crucial for safety and optimal performance. Fortunately, there are some simple things you can do to keep your brakes in good condition. First and foremost, pay attention to any signs of brake problems. These may include squealing or grinding noises when braking, a pulsating brake pedal, or a car that pulls to one side when braking. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to have your brakes inspected by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Regular maintenance is key to preventing brake problems. This includes having your brake pads and rotors inspected and replaced as needed. The frequency of brake pad replacement depends on your driving habits and the type of brake pads you have. Another important tip is to avoid riding your brakes. This means keeping a safe distance from other vehicles so you don't have to brake suddenly and hard. Additionally, avoid resting your foot on the brake pedal while driving, as this can generate unnecessary heat and wear down your brakes prematurely. Finally, remember that driving conditions can affect your brakes. Wet or icy roads can reduce braking efficiency, so it's crucial to slow down and leave extra stopping distance in adverse weather.